Welcome to our deep dive into the world of stenography. Discover its journey from the traditional typewriter to today's digital era and how it can secure your future in government jobs. Let's begin by tracing the fascinating evolution of this essential skill. From the clicking keys of the vintage mechanical typewriter, a symbol of historical documentation, to the swift strokes of a modern digital stylus on a glowing tablet, stenography remains vital. But what exactly is stenography? Let's clarify this highly valuable skill. Stenography, or shorthand, is the art of writing at the speed of spoken word, using specialized symbols like Pitman or Rishi style. This method is crucial for quickly transcribing speeches and proceedings, as shorthand symbols are swiftly converted into clean, professional typewritten text. Mastering stenography opens the door to numerous high-demand government jobs. Stenographers are essential personnel, working in the most prestigious Indian government institutions from parliament to high courts. Look at the opportunities. Major recruiters include the SSC, UP Police, UPSSSC, and various high courts across India. When it comes to job demand, Hindi stenography holds a significant advantage. We are seeing a distinct trend. While English stenography demand is stable, the need for Hindi stenographers is rapidly outpacing it, driven by a growing volume of official Hindi documentation. This high demand translates directly into greater opportunities and better career prospects, making Hindi stenography a particularly smart choice for securing a government position. Now, let's talk about the institution and the mentor guiding students to success. Masterganj competitions is where future stenographers are forged, with a spirit of confidence and success filling the classroom. Under the expert guidance of Pradeep Kumar Kashyap Sir, Masterganj competitions consistently delivers top results, turning aspirations into successful careers. Don't miss out on essential resources for your preparation. Take the next step today. Click the subscribe button right now to stay updated with the latest lessons, tips, and job notifications. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from Masterganj competitions.